Hi, Caroline. Thanks for the second video. Crawling with the hitch. Now, again, most people will say it's a 4-point crawling, and I'm not going to argue that fact. However, you're coming here and you're asking. What I see still is a hitch, right? I can guarantee you, even in getting up, he's only doing it with his right leg versus the right or the left leg. That when he's crawling, the right leg wants to go a little fast, and then the left leg kind of goes behind. So you're getting more of this kind of movement versus the crawl. Does he sit up and go into all fours in both directions? That's something to look at too. There's something going on just in his lower pelvis that you just want to bring out that movement in the pelvis, that he can go in and out of both sides of the pelvis versus just the one side. And again, does it matter? Is he going to walk? Absolutely. However, if we're looking for, let's say, a pro football player, it's going to show up throughout his career. So that's what I'm trying to do now. This is about optimal development. So as far as optimal, it's still, like I said, it's just got that asymmetry. Is it a crawl? Absolutely. But that's where you're seeing too, he doesn't have the support on the grass, maybe when it's softer or whatever. He probably does the same thing maybe on the bed. So it's not so much sensory, it's just the pelvis isn't loading up correctly. And that's where I would work with him. A little bit more on the pubic bone strike. That's in my support program. And again, I have a feeling that coming up to sitting or getting into all fours, working with the crawling course, that's where you'd go. Thanks.